artist's manifesto, an artist's conduct in his life.
An artist should not lie to himself or others. An artist should not steal ideas from other artists. An artist should not compromise for himself or in regards to the art market. An artist should not kill other human beings. An artist should not make himself into an idol. An artist should not make himself into an idol.
An artist's relation to his love life. Please, strong voices.
An artist should avoid falling in love with another artist. An artist should avoid falling in love with another artist.
An artist's relation to the erotic.
An artist should develop an erotic point of view on the world. An artist should be erotic. An artist should be erotic.
An artist's relation to suffering.
An artist should suffer. From the suffering comes the best work. Suffering brings transformation. Through the suffering, an artist transcends his spirit. Through the suffering, an artist transcends his spirit.
An artist's relation to depression.
An artist should not be depressed. Depression is a disease that should be cured. Depression is not productive for an artist. Depression is not productive for an artist.
An artist's relation to suicide.
Suicide is a crime against life. An artist should not commit suicide. An artist should not commit suicide.
An artist's relation to inspiration.
An artist should look deep inside himself for inspiration. The deeper he looks inside himself, the more universal he becomes. The artist is universe. The artist is universe.
An artist's relation to self-control.
The artist should not have self-control about his life. The artist should have total self-control about his work. The artist should not have self-control about his life. The artist should have total self-control about his work.
An artist's relation to transparency.
The artist should give and receive at the same time. Transparency means receptive. Transparency means to give. Transparency means to receive. Transparency means receptive. Transparency means to give.
One too much. An artist's relation to symbols.
An artist creates his own symbols. Symbols are an artist's language. The language must then be translated. Sometimes it is difficult to find the key. Sometimes it is difficult to find the key.
An artist's relation to symbols.